Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test for accessing fuliba2020net. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your experience on fuliba2020net. So, let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for fuliba2020net? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get disconnected while browsing fuliba2020net with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which parts of fuliba2020net you visit. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for fuliba2020net. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best choice for fuliba2020net because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of tracker scams or harmful links you might hit on fuliba2020net, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure, custom browsing session. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once while checking fuliba2020net. But PIA's biggest strength? Its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy fuliba2020net user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court, and it held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone accessing fuliba2020net who values low latency, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the fastest connection possible. This can help route your traffic for a smoother browsing experience. But just keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for fuliba2020net? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less buffering and quicker loading of fuliba2020net pages. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady connection speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found speeds can dip depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast loading times on fuliba2020net are your top priority, you want zero interruptions, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a bunch of devices or a whole household accessing fuliba2020net. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused fuliba2020net user who needs solid proof of trustworthiness. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for fuliba2020net. See you soon.